Hello everyone. In this, we'll create a room schedule by placing rooms. So I'm on first floor plan. All we need to do is go to architecture, click on room, and then start placing room. Now, wherever there is an opening, so right here there's an opening, right? And over here in this room also there is a circular opening right here. So if there is an opening, you need to define by a room separator. You need to define the boundary of the room. So let's put in two rooms where there is no opening. So in this room there is no opening. In this room there is no opening. So let's put the room tags in these two spaces. Once that is done, then what we need to do is click on modify, go back to architecture, room and area, and let's define room separator. Let's click on that. All we have to do is just draw a line to close these openings. Escape, draw again another line and close this opening. What we are doing is we're just defining or closing these openings so that room tag has a clear boundary. And then one over here. Okay. Once that is done, I just want to click room tag, and you see now you can actually place those tags here. Okay. So once that is done, all you need to do is go back and start changing their name. These are room numbers. Just go back here, click on room and put the title of the room like conference room. Hit enter. Now if you want to add the size, so click on this conference room tag and just add size. Let's say this is 20 feet by 20 feet. I'm just assuming a size and hit enter, and the size will show up. So all you need to do is just go in each room and go to the CAD file and see what are the room names, and then place those names and put that size. Now once that is done, all you need to do is go to view, go to schedule, and let's create a room schedule here. So go to room, click OK. Let's select area, let's select ceiling finish, floor finish. Let's select the level and let's select wall finish. If you want volume, you can enter volume also. Okay, once that is done, click OK. And now you can see the room schedule with area, ceiling finish, floor finish, wall finish, and volume. Now you can go here and enter a ceiling finish. Let's say it's a ceiling tile, say AC tile. If you have wooden ceiling in one room, type wood. And once you go to the next one, these finishes will be available to you to select, so you don't have to type them again like that. And I'm just selecting a particular finish. In floor, the same thing, wood, carpet, limestone, like that, and you can go back and select from them. Okay, same for the wall finish, paint, blue, paint, yellow, or let's say marble cladding, and then you can select from the list like that. Now you see that the volume is not computed here, so what you need to do is you need to go back and edit the schedule. So when the schedule is open, go to the properties and on the field side click edit, and now what you want to do is let's remove this parameter and let's add a calculated field. To add a calculated field, click on calculated field, give it a name, volume. What we need to do is we need to enter a formula, and to enter the formula we need certain fields which are already there. For instance, what we can do is we can multiply area with the height, and then we can get volume. So for formula, I wanted to click on this little button here. It will bring in all these parameters that are available to you. So click on area and get that parameter here and multiply that with an asterisk sign to 8 feet. Now we know that it's cubic feet, so we need to actually make consistent unit. So we have to divide it by 1 cubic feet. So click OK. Once that is done, then click OK again, and now you can see those values are displayed here in cubic feet. So this is how you create a room schedule.